study documentation. A UI/UX case study is a story of how you solve a design problem. It clearly shows your thinking process, the decisions you made, and the final results. As shown in the image, the process starts with identifying the problem. Then, you work on finding the right solution through design and research. Finally, you present the results, showing how your solution effectively solved the problem. Case studies are used in multiple areas. As shown in the image, they are important for portfolios, interviews, project submissions, and UX team reviews. They help present your work clearly and showcase your design skills. Structure of a good case study. Project overview. Project name or title defines what the project is about. Duration shows the timeline taken to complete the project. Team members indicate who was involved in the project. Tools used include Figma, FigJam, Canva, and Adobe XD. This is the problem statement. A clear definition describes the exact problem. User challenges explain the difficulties users face. Importance highlights why this problem needs to be solved. This is the goals and objectives section. The goal defines what you want to solve. Objectives describe what success looks like. This is the UX research section. It is a critical part of the case study. Research methods include interviews, surveys, and observations. Personas represent different types of users. Journey maps show the user's experience step by step. Pain points highlight the problems users face. Competitive analysis shows how other solutions compare in the market. This is the key insights and problem definition section. Top pain points summarize the main issues identified. User needs explain what users expect or require. Design opportunities highlight possible solutions to address these needs. This is the ideation stage. Brainstorming involves generating multiple ideas quickly. Crazy Eights is a method to sketch 8 ideas in a short time. Mind mapping helps organize and connect ideas visually. This is the wireframing stage. Low-fidelity wireframes show basic layout and structure. Mid-fidelity wireframes add more details and clarity. High-fidelity mockups present the final visual design. This is the prototyping stage. A clickable prototype link allows users to explore the design. It shows how users interact with the interface. Screenshots capture key user interactions. This is the final design stage. The home page shows the main interface. Key features highlight the important functionalities. Screen flows explain how users move through the design. Improvements show changes made from the initial design.